Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to keep iPhone screen on. So if you want to keep your iPhone screen on, active until you press the side button or you switch off your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you're none of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to keep your iPhone screen on, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, you're going to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to display and brightness and click on that. Now, once you've selected display and brightness, scroll down the page until you see auto lock, click on that. Then by default, your iPhone auto lock will be set to 30 seconds. What this means is after 30 seconds, your iPhone screen will dim or turn off, and you need to press the side button or double tap to wake, and then you may be prompted to confirm your Face ID or type in your iPhone passcode. However, if you want to keep your iPhone screen on or active, just choose between 1 minute and never. So if you choose for 1 minute, your iPhone screen is going to be on for 1 minute. If you choose 5 minutes, your iPhone screen will be on for 5 minutes before it goes blank or dim. But if you select never, your iPhone screen will keep on active until you press the side button. And once you're done, you can just exit the page or go back to your iPhone home screen. So the iPhone screen will never goes blank or off until you press the side button. So that is basically how to keep iPhone screen on. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.